really don't know how to express it. I didn't know you guys love me that much. I knew you love me, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I will give you another vlog. Remember, Charms Lifestyle is about me. Anyway guys, as you can see, it's a no sunny day. It is a no sunny day. We are getting that winter look. So guys, remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please subscribe to my channel. Put that post notification bell on, so when Charms Lifestyle posts the next video, you will be notified. You will be notified. Today guys, I just want to tell you guys many thanks for celebrating my birthday with me, and thank you all for those birthday wishes. Guys, you made my day. And when I say you made my day, you really made my day. Those birthday wishes, they were so emotional. Yes guys, they were very emotional, and I thank you all. I can't tell you. I don't know how to express it. Yes, I really don't know how to express it. I didn't know you guys love me that much. I knew you love me, but trust me, that birthday proved it to me how much you love Charms Lifestyle. And I thank you all for that. And please remember, I love you all the same or even more. Yes, but I must say again, thank you so much for those warm wishes and love. You bring me happiness, you bring me joy, you bring me everything. And guys, I love you all. Thank you. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. And turn on that post notification bell, so you will be the first to notified when Charms Lifestyle posts her next video. Yes, yes. And the thumbs up, guys. Remember to give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, guys. Because I've come to the end of my video, guys. If you like this video, you can leave me a comment and you can give me a thumbs up. And bye for now. Remember that I love you all. See you in my next video.